What up with y'all? Back again for another video. It's your boy. Y'all ready to roll with me again, mate? Let's get it. Alright, so yeah, let me give y'all the rundown. Hope y'all can see me. You know what I'm talking about? Parked next to Snyder Boy. Snyder Boy, tell him. You understand me? No. Hey, look. For real though. Alright, check this out. Alright, so where I'm picking up at 1. It's like 12:54. It's literally right down the street. I picked up here before, so I'm finna go. I'm gonna pick up here. And instead of me, I'm going to Georgia, so instead of me running today, stopping, and then picking back up where I left off, wherever I would leave off today, what I'm thinking is, since I don't have to deliver until tomorrow, what I'm thinking is I'm finna go pick up, and then I'm gonna come back here to the truck stop, and then I'm gonna probably leave by 10, somewhere around 10 tonight. That'll give me a few hours to play with when I'm gaining an hour and dealing with a traffic, to where I can run it straight through and go to where I pick up next. And where I pick up next, I have to take a 10 anyways, like it's mandatory. So that's why I say I'd rather just run it straight through, and because I'm gonna have to take a 10 anyway. And might as well say right after that 10, I'm gonna have to run again. So I'd rather be for real tired and go to sleep than be up half the day and catch 3-4 hour nap, having to run this truck the way I'm gonna have to run it, because I know where I'm going, I know what I'm gonna have to do. So I'd rather stay crispy if I can. You understand me? So I'm thinking that's what I might do. I asked my dispatch about it, they were cool with it. So I might just go ahead and get loaded, come back and get loose.
Nigga like me, heartbroken, hard body, yeah. Nigga like me, they ain't got no dealing, yeah. Nigga like me, they ain't got no feeling.
Said no, ain't trust nobody. Said Chopper, he came with some bodies. Said young nigga ride with a shotter. Said I ain't with all of that talking. I just want the money, I just want the dough. You with the family, you gotta go. Can't get a dapper, I won't shake a hand. Don't trust a nigga, hope you understand. I love my bitch, but I ain't no fool. I put a trust in the man, I'm a buffoon. We keep banana like we some baboons, and we keep the stick.
I'm here now. I'm finna check in. These folk in my way. They was like, yo, whatever, doc. So I'm finna get on whatever, doc. Let's see if I can get in here. Finna go open them doors up. That thing on here pretty square. Y'all can't see it, but I can. Like I told you, it's about 10, finna be at 11. It's finna be 11. As I speak, it's finna be 11. This dude can get my spot, he just don't know it yet. But it's 10 finna be 11. I'm gonna account for a 7-hour drive. I always account for an hour or 30 minutes more than what I need, you know. So I leave at 11, count for 7 hours. I get there at 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm gonna gain an hour. That's 7. And then I'm gonna have to be in their traffic. So they give me about 3 hours they give me 3 hours cushion to account for traffic going around 285 and stuff. So I think I'll be alright.
No, I don't feel you, dog. No, I don't hear you, dog. No, I don't see you. Hell no, I ain't fucking with you. When you up, they fucking with you. When you down, ain't thought about it. Can't go back, ain't thought about it. Can't go back, ain't thought about it. Nigga like me, don't trust nobody. Yeah, nigga like me, heartbroken, hard-bodied. Yeah, nigga like me, ain't got no dealing. Yeah, nigga like me, ain't got no feeling. Nigga like me, don't trust nobody. Yeah, nigga like me, heartbroken, hard-bodied. Yeah, nigga like me, ain't got no.
We have a break in your current We have a break in your current forecast. About 5 seconds, I'm officially crossing over into Alabama. Y'all already know my favorite apple jelly. Bama apple jelly. You understand me? Every time I cross Alabama line, I hit that sweet home Alabama. Yeah. But Mississippi much better. You understand me? Yeah. You did. Oh man. What up with y'all, man? Oh man. We're here, Atlanta, GA. I'm on the dock. You understand me? What time is it? Here it's like, it's like 7:55. I figured I'd get here around this time, but I thought I was gonna catch traffic, you know, on 20 and 285, but I really didn't catch no traffic, so I'm here about 2 to 3 hours early. I mean, really 2 hours. It's finna be 8 o'clock here, so I'm here about 2 hours early. And they were cool. They was like, you really ain't supposed to be here till 10, but we got you since you're here already. I appreciate it, cause I figured I was finna have to wait. So I'm finna go ahead and let them do their thing. Once I get my paperwork, I'm put my paperwork in, and I'm gonna head on over to where I'm supposed to be at next and fly off in my sleeper. You understand me? Yes, sir. Up here around yonder to this here shipper. I ain't gonna tell y'all where I'm at, but I'm up here around yonder. And finna check in with these folks. Finna drop their trailer. And that part. Get under my load. I checked in about an hour early. She said come back about 1:30 or so, and ain't nothing to it but to do it after that. Hook up and get on down. This load might as well. This load is taking me to Memphis, and from Memphis I'll have to go back to the house. So real short week for your boy this week, but I'll catch y'all in Memphis.
She like to do it with the light show.
If you wanna go and take a ride with me, I hope you know how to drive a 10-speed. Ooh, why? Ooh, why? Yeah. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, I hope you know how to drive a 10-speed. Ooh, why? Ooh, why? Alright, y'all, I'm back home. I was at the yard, showered, all that type good stuff. Boy, they tried to send me to Illinois, but it was just a misunderstanding. So it wasn't no drama. They really did try to send me to Illinois though. But I got some groceries, and I'm finna take them back to my truck so they'll already be in there for when I come back. But I just wanted to wrap up the video. If y'all want some more if y'all want some more big truck content, I mean, it's coming, but you know, encouragement is always welcome. So if y'all want some more big trucking content, let me know. Get in them comments. Other than that, like, comment, subscribe. It's your boy. I'm at